just got diagnosed with diabetes. The blood sugar was at 328. I was kind of hit by surprise because I get medical care through the VA. And they looked at me and said, "You didn't know?" I said, "No." Very minimal information on what to do. Here's your metformin, go home, you're on this forever. So I thought, well, I'll just start digging around on the computer, see what I can find online. And I ran into you guys. I bought the downloadable version and started following it right away. My blood sugar started out at 328. Pretty much for the last week, I've been in the 70s. And then last night, 89.
Wow. I mean,
That
that's amazing.
it's I got the same reaction out of the nutritionist and the pharmacist from the VA. They were amazed. They're sticking with me pretty good, and it's been all good news. On the webinar the other day, I told you that I was going to start phase 2 on Saturday. As long as it stays under 100, I'm going to cut the metformin in half. I'm only doing half of what they wanted me to do to begin with, and then I told them my numbers, and they agreed to stay at just one dose 2 times a day. I lost another 15 pounds. I had been losing weight anyway. Got a gym membership, bought an elliptical for here at home so I can do that. I was told by one person that they didn't care for fad diets. And I'm going, look, I've already got the story on diabetes. It will never get better. Metformin will never make it get better. What have I got to lose? Nothing. So if this doesn't work, well, we'll have to try something else. But it's so far, I mean, I've got nothing but praise for this program.